So the first thing we're going to do is peel the sweet potatoes. I have 4 here. And now we're going to chop them just like this. So make sure you use a sharp knife. Now you want to rinse them off. So I'm going to spray the bottom of my pan with some butter oil. Now I'm going to place the sweet potatoes at the bottom of the pan. So this is cinnamon and nutmeg mixed together. I'm going to sprinkle some on. So do the same exact thing again. Okay, sprinkle some more of the nutmeg and cinnamon mixture on top. Just the last bit of it. I like to just move these around so it could get under. Now you want to pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Cover this oil. You want to poke some holes into it so it can steam. So we're going to put this in the oven now. So these were in the oven for an hour and this is how they look. So I'm just going to try one and see how, wow, they're tender. They are done, y'all. They are done. They're very tender. See, my fork is going right through them, so they are done. So we're going to go ahead and add in our butter. I'm just going to just push it down in there. So I'm just going to just push it down in there. I'm add in our vanilla extract. It does work in the oven, but this time I'm not going to cover them. I'm gonna leave them in there for 10 minutes uncovered. So our candied yams are all done, y'all. The southern style candied yams, they smell so amazing, y'all. I'm going to add some marshmallows on top. I'm gonna let this cool down just for a little bit. My fork could go right through one. This is how you want it. Okay, y'all, so our yams are all done. I added in some marshmallows and they are super good, super tender. You can put your fork right through these things, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Super delicious, y'all.